Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the Honourable Leader of Opposition for the questions. The iTaukei Land Trust Board currently manages 73 active dairy leases across Fiji. The lease support farmers involved in milk production and play an important role in the sustaining rural livelihood and contribute to the national food security. From 2023 to 2025, a total of 16 dairy leases were formally activated. This includes 9 lease renewal, where existing farmers had their expired or expiring leases successfully extended, and 7 new lease activations, either for new applications or previously inactive leaseholders. The new lease covers a combined land area of over 290 hectares with annual rent rate agreed between the TLTB and representative of land-owning units. The Ministry of iTaukei Affairs, acknowledging the importance of providing secure land tenure for our dairy farmers. Lease renewals offer not only long-term security for leases, but also ensure continued land use, productivity, and rental incomes for land-owning units.